Hello everyone, welcome to Power Tutorials. So let's start with the live session which I have explained in the morning. So in the 8 p.m. we have a recording session where I have covered the 4.2 exercise questions. Now in this live video we are going to cover the few remaining questions which I have mentioned as homework in that video. Okay, so let's start with the content. So let's small recap. In the previous parts we have covered what is quadratic equation. We also covered the example questions, and then we have covered the exercise questions of 4.1, and few have kept as homework, and those I have covered in the another live session. The homework, I think, around 5 questions. And then we have covered what are the example questions of exercise 4.2 and the quadratic equation, how to solve it using a factorization method. So those I have covered. And then in today's 8 p.m. video, I think we might have seen, we have covered the questions of exercise 4.2, and if you have kept as homework, you can see here there are 2 homework questions. So those homework questions are going to cover in this live session. Okay, so let's start with the first question, homework questions, which are 2x square minus plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, and the second one 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. We're going to solve these two. So first one, 2x square plus x minus 6. So the method what we have solved in the morning, in the 8 p.m. video, I have told you to write what are a, b and c values and find a into c value. So a into c here it is minus 12. So let's find the factors of 12, which are 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. Okay, so you need to do a combination such that you will get plus x. So plus x can be coming only 1 if it is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, since I will change the middle term as 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. If I take 2x as common, it becomes 2x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I can say it is 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the x values are 3 by 2 and minus 2. Okay, hope you understood how I solved this question. Okay, let's solve the next one, which is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. So my suggestion is, whenever you have something like fractional, what we have to do is do something such that there will not be any fraction in the question. So simply I am multiplying 8 on both sides. If I multiply 8 on both sides, I will get 8 into 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 8 into 0. Anything into 0 is 0. So now if I multiply, it becomes 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's write a and b values. A value is 16, b value is minus 8, and c value is 1. So a into c, which is 16 into 1, is 16. Let the factors of 16, 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Here we want minus 8. So simple, just use 4 and 4. Minus 4 minus 4 you will get as minus 8. So this becomes 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's see what is common for these two. It is 4x is common. So I will write 4x. If I take it as common, I will get 4x minus 1. The trick I have told you, just write this value again here, which is 4x minus 1. Now let's see which is remaining. 4x minus 1. So we have to simply multiply with minus 1. Okay, minus 1, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now it is very easy now, which is nothing but 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. The x value is simple, which is 1 by 4, comma 1 by 4. So how I got is 4x minus 1. I have equated it to 0. 4x becomes 1 and x becomes 1 by 4. Hope it is clear to you as well. Let's move to the next question. So here you have to solve the problems in the given example. So second I have already solved in the morning. Now I am going to solve the first one. So this first one also, how to get the equation I have already covered in my first video, that is part 1 of this chapter. So I am going to refer the first video and then I am going to get the example equation. So here the first example I have covered long back, which is part 1. Here I got the equation as this one, which is x square minus 45x plus 324. So I am going to solve the same. X square minus 45x plus 324, x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So now we need to get the factors of 324. So it can be little lengthy, but be patient, we'll get the answer. 2 into 162, 3 table, yes, it will be done. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. 4 table, yes, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4. 5 will not happen. 6 definitely, because 2 and 3 are there. 6 also will be coming. 6 5 are 30, 6 4s are 24. Okay, we want 45. 54 minus 6, no, let's do some more. 7 will not happen. 8 will be happening. No, 8 will not happen. 9 10 will not happen. 11, let's see, for 12 will not happen. 13 will not happen. 14, let's see, for 14 table 324. Okay, 14 2 is a 28, again 44. Okay, 14 also will not happen. Let's see, for 6 7 8 9 10 is done. 11 22, okay, 11 12 13, 14 is not happening. 15 will not happen. 16, let's see, no, 16 will not happen. Let's see, for 18 table, 18 2 is 36, 18 1 is 18, 44. I think somewhere I'm missing. Let's check once again. Till 6 I hadn't. Let's check again. Let's check for 7 will not happen. 8 table 324 will not happen. 9 3 2 is 3 plus 2 5. Yes, 9 table it will happen. So what is 9 table? 9 3 is a 27, 54, 9 6 is 54. Okay, now you can stop it here, because 36 plus 9 is nothing but 45. So it is x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. So if you want, you can also try. For 12 it will happen, because 12 2 is a 24 and then 8 84, 12 7s are 84, and just go on keeping do it. But we want the summation of division should be just 45, so we can stop it there. So 45 you can easily get by using 9 and 36. Okay, so simple, if I take x as common, I will get x minus 36, and here if I told you the trick, just write x minus 36 here again, and then see which is remaining, minus 9. Just write it. So now the values are x minus 9 and x minus 36. So the x values I got it as 9 comma 36. Okay, but what is the question? They are asking, we would like to find out how many marbles are there to start with. So the answer, it can be either start with 9 or 36. So but wait, the total Jeevanti and together have 45 marbles. So it should be, one should be, John should be having, if John is having 9, then Jeevanti will have 36. Did you mention anything? Number of marbles, the product of the marbles is 124. Okay, that's it. So only thing is that John is 9, then Jeevanti is 36, and vice versa, because Jeevanti can have 36, can have 9, and John will have 36. Okay, let's see the next question, which is a third question I have already covered in class. You can check the third question there. Let's see the fourth one, which is find the two consecutive positive integers such that sum of squares is 367. Sum of squares means x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. What is x square? It is a plus b whole square, which is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. So if I move 365 to the left side, it becomes 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So what is 1 minus 365? It is 364. So x square plus x minus 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. If I divide by 2, I will get x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Let's find the factors of 182. 2 into 91. 3 table will not happen. 4 table no. 5. 6 table no. 7. 7 to is 14. Yes, 7 table it will no. 7 to is 14. 7 6 is 42. Okay. 8 will not happen. 9 will not happen. 10 will not happen. 11 will not happen. 12. 12 1 is 12. 62. 12 will not happen. 13. Let's check for 13. 13 1s 13, 52, 13 4s 52, correct. So 13 into 14, and then it will go reverse way. 13 into 14 is enough. Why? Because we want 1. 1 we can easily achieve by simply doing 14 minus 13. So it is x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. If I take x common, you will get x plus 14. And if I take trick I told you, write x plus 14 again, then see for the common, minus 13. So the values are x is equal to 13 and x is equal to minus 14. So did they mention integers and natural numbers? They have mentioned clearly two consecutive positive integers. Positive means I should not consider the negative value. So the numbers are 13, 14. They have clearly mentioned positive. If they haven't mentioned positive and you can negative also, then I can also say minus 14 and minus 13 are also correct. But they have clearly mentioned positive numbers, hence the numbers are only 13, 14. Then you have fifth question. This is already solved in the recorded video, which is there in 8 p.m. video. Let's solve the last question from this exercise, which is sixth question. Okay, this is similar to the one which I already covered in the example questions. So let's find it out. How to solve this. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. Okay, it was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than. So this point is very important. Change the color. Cost is 3 more than the twice of the number of articles produced on that day. Okay, so let's say the first point. Let number of articles produced on a day be x. Cost is equal to what they have mentioned, 3 more than the twice of the number of articles produced on that day. So this is nothing but cost. And repeating this point again, let the number of articles be x, but the cost 3 more than the twice of the number of articles produced on that day. Okay, if the total cost of production of that day was 90, what is the total cost? Total cost is nothing but each cost into number of cost, number of articles. How I am saying this? For example, if you go to a shop and if you want we want to have dairy milk chocolates. So dairy milk one chocolate is suppose 20 rupees. If you want 5 chocolates, then what will be the total cost? It will be 5 into that 20 chocolates, which is 100 rupees. Same way here they are saying that cost of each article we know, which is 3 plus 2x, and the each article, how many articles represent x, so the total cost will be, so I'm sorry, I written plus here, it should be total cost into number of articles. Each cost of article into number of articles will give me total cost. So what is the total cost they mentioned in the question? Total cost is 90. So simple, we know each cost is x, sorry, x, each cost is 3 plus 2x, and number of articles it is x, which is equal to 90. Now to cross multiplication, it will be 3 into x is 3x, 2x into x is 2x square is equal to 90. So let's write 90 to the other side and write in form of standard quadratic equation. It becomes 2x square plus 3x minus 90. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So the method, write a value, write b value and c value, and take the a into c value. What is a into c? It is 2 into 90. 2 into 90 is 180. So let's find the factors of 180. So 1 into 180, 2 into 90, 3 into 60, 4, yes, 4 also will be happening, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 5 table, yes, because last number is 0 or 5, definitely divisible by 5, so 5 3 is 5, yeah, 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30, and then 6 table, 6 into 30, 7 table will not happen, 8 table will not happen, 9, yes, 9 into 20, next 10 table, 10 into 18, next 12 table, 12, yes, 12 ones are 12, 12 5 is 60, yes, this is enough because we want 3 here. So 15 minus 12 is 3, so 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So what is common? Just 2x is common, so this becomes 2x plus 15, and if we just the trick I told you, write the same number again. This is rough sheet. Now see which is 2x, we have minus 12, so we have to multiply with minus 6. Okay, so we have x minus 6 into 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So what is x value? We have x value from here it is 6, and from here it is minus 15 by 2. What is x value? X value is number of articles. Number of articles cannot be negative, so this is wrong. So only possibility is 6. So therefore number of articles is equal to 6, and cost of each article is equal to, what is the expression? It is 3 plus 2x. It is 3 plus 2x, so which is 3 plus 2 into 6, which is 3 plus 12, which is 15. So we got the number of articles as 6 and cost of each article as 15. So in this way all the questions of exercise 4.2 are been solved, and in tomorrow's video, that is around 8 p.m. so you will get a video about example questions of exercise 4.3. Okay, and then if possible also cover the 4.3 questions as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please, if you like this video, please do like, please comment for any questions if you have, and please subscribe if you want similar content. Thank you. And who are out there right now, thank you so much for joining.